vida. Sufre Martín.
She killed him. She killed him, bro. She killed him. Yeah, it serves him right. Serves him right, bro. You don't. Oh, guys, look. I'm 9 days late. 9 days beyond time, bro. I mean, like, I never know that YAILIN Lamas Viral gave us a song, bro. Guys, please, I'm asking of y'all. Please, I'm asking of y'all. Look, just like this video, please, because I am so far behind, bro. Like, she's one of my favorites, man. And the thing is, she's not singing in English. But I do love her vibe. I do love what she's doing. And I do love her personality. It's so good. Damn. Okay, guys, look. We're going to react to YAILIN Lamas Viral. This is called PERDI Mi TIEMPO official music video. PERDI Mi TIEMPO official music video. It's a Spanish name. Damn. So let's dive in. Peace.
Yo no puedo creer que tú me hiciste eso, porque yo confié en ti. Yo te lo entregué todo. Y al final...
To be honest, I don't know why I'm so excited when it comes on to YAILIN. I do not know why I'm so excited, because she gives me that form of excitement, bro. Like, I would go a wire to see her. Yeah.
Nada valió la pena. Solamente perdí mi tiempo.
It's a wedding. She's now married. Wait, mom, you can't do that. You can't get married as yet. You can't. Like, why? Why are you doing this to us, man? Almighty God. Hey.
Ellas me buscan a mí, los tigres también, pa' que tú no te equivoques. Lo que tú buscas en ella, ellas lo buscan en mí. Quizás soy de las dos bandas, soy la para de tu blog.
Yo, as a Jamaican, I just can't stop listening to her. As a matter of fact, her voice, her looks, her personality, it's a complete package. I just can't get enough of that package, bro.
De moreno, tú sabrás cómo camina. De una van por ti si tú vuelves y desafinas. Ya la corren el norte en RD y de los minas. Si tú quieres, pon un huevo y je tu maldita madrina.
Whoa. What does that guy do? Led her to pull a gun. Bro, if you messed yourself up, my G, you're gonna get it, man. You're gonna get it. Look at this woman. Oh, gorgeous she is. And you're gonna mess her wedding up like that, my G? No way, man. There's always this momentum of YAILIN that is gorgeous as bro. I mean, like, her music videos are always different, always stands out. But this one is a totally different video from what I expected her to give us.
Tu sistema me puso mala con los hombres rata como tú que son bandidos.
Yo, her beautification, bro. Her beauty. It's off this roof, man. Yo, just look at her outfit, man. Look at her hairstyle, man. Just look at her naturally. This is what I love to see. Oh, mami.
Su maldad es su única virtud. Siempre happy, me la paso activa en actitud. Por hacerme esa payasada, papi, yo te doble en uno. Todavía no sé por qué pagaste así. Si estaba muerto, papi, y te la...
It's so sad that I can't understand what she's saying, but somehow I understand the language. Somehow I know what she's going through. Somehow I could just picture what she's saying in her language, bro. Damn, I think she speaks Portuguese, I think, because there's a Brazilian flag in the background here. I think she speaks Portuguese, but regardless of that, bro, her voice is just amazing.
Los tiempos ya cambiaron, muévelo de ahí. Yo facturo más que tú, muévelo.
I would hold this female now. Just squeeze her tightly, bro. Just squeeze her tightly.
Si casi estaba muerto y te la prendí.
Wait, no way. No way. Did you guys just see what I just saw? Or did you guys saw what I just see? No way, bro. No way. That's not actually real. She's riding. She's riding, bro. That's sexy, bro. Oh, wow.
Hoy me di cuenta que con el corazón sí se canta.
I can tell her she's hurt a lot, bro. She's hurt a lot. She's been through a lot. Just to see that scenery that she pulls up, bro, that the husband done to her, it's messed up, bro. It's messed up. Trust me. She shouldn't be going through this so much.
Vivan su vida, sean felices, cojan, dejen y hagan su maldita fucking vida. Sufre Martín.
She killed him. She killed him, bro. She killed him. Yeah, it serves him right. Serves him right, bro. You don't know what you have until it's gone. In Jamaica, we use this term, right? Cow doesn't know the use of its tail until it's cut off. But she does something that I will not go against her for it, because that guy's an idiot. He's an idiot, bro. Trust me. Trust me. He's dumb.
Te la creíste.
Story like this always happens. Things like this always and will always be happening, because to see such a tragic scenery, to see such bullshit from this guy, serves him right. He hurt her a lot, bro. He deserves it. He messed up, man. Well done, YAILIN. Well done. You have outdone yourself again. You have outdone yourself again. And guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, please leave a like on this video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.